Hi guys, I am filming this video from Hawaii. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is all about mindset and pitching. And I want to talk to you guys about how important it is for you to start pitching as a UGC creator. Because we are basically in Q4, I'm filming this on September 18th, which is my brother's birthday. And Q4 is the most lucrative, most profitable time of year for all creators. Whether you're a UGC creator, influencer, I don't care what title you hold, if you are a content creator and you earn your money through brand deals, this is when brands have the most amount of money to spend on advertising. And so now is the time to start pitching these brands and start landing these paid deals. And I want to talk about mindset and pitching because I feel like right now I'm in so many campaigns right now. I have so many emails being sent out on a weekly basis because I understand how urgent it is to do so. And the best way to start securing these brand deals, if you're a UGC creator, is to start pitching. Pitching is when you are reaching out to the brand directly. This is one of the many ways that you can secure brand deals as a UGC creator. And the reason why I love pitching is because it has so much autonomy and so much sovereignty, because it's not like a platform like Upwork or Fiverr where you're bound to that platform's rules and regulations. When you're pitching, you are a free agent, okay? You don't have to follow someone's rules essentially. And so I see so many UGC creators give up, quit, and really struggle with pitching, not because it's necessarily hard. Having the right strategy is important, but because what's most important, aside from your strategy with pitching, like that's so important too, but no one talks about the mindset that you have to have with pitching. And so what's happening is I see a lot of UGC creators that get rejected, that get gifted collab offers, that get commission offers, that get ambassador offers, and they get discouraged and they give up and they send 50 pitches and they send 30 pitches or 70 pitches or whatever, and they get rejected, and then they're like, this doesn't work. So what happens is you get rejected and then you get triggered. And this emotion comes up, this fear comes up, overwhelm. Now you feel like quitting. Now UGC doesn't work. Now this is not working for me. When in actuality, when you are pitching, you have to separate your emotions. And regardless of how you're feeling, regardless of if you feel triggered or in your feelings, you have to continue the course. You have to continue sending the amount of pitches that you promised to yourself. And essentially, this is why people fail at online business in the first place, is they just get so emotional. And one little thing happens and they're triggered, and then this doesn't work anymore and I'm gonna quit it. Becoming a successful UGC creator, the number one tool that's gonna help you is emotional regulation skills. Is awareness of your emotions and processing your emotions the right way. Is just because 10 or 20 or 50 or 70 or whatever, or just because a brand didn't respond to you or they ghosted you or they don't want to pay you, doesn't mean that you should quit on your dream of being a full-time creator, of securing these contracts. Do not tie it to your worthiness. A brand rejecting you has nothing to do with your worthiness. It has nothing to do with what you are deserving of what God has planned for you. So what meaning are you assigning to rejection? Because I get rejected on a daily basis. I'm sending emails. I'm sending 1,000 emails a month. And if you want to learn my proven step-by-step process on how I automate my pitches, on how I seamlessly send 1,000 pitches in a month and secure these contracts, high ticket, 4-figure contracts with brands, then make sure you join my course, because I show you, first of all, where to find these premium brands that are paying how to pitch them, what to say, how to negotiate, how to price yourself and structure your rate so you're maximizing your profit as a UGC creator. This is all inside of my course, these strategies. And so what meaning are you assigning to the rejection? Are you telling yourself that you'll never be able to be a paid creator, that you're not good enough, that your content sucks, that you're just not capable, that it's oversaturated? Are these the stories you're telling yourself? Do not assign a meaning to the rejection, because brands have a bottom line. They have their internal marketing team, people who are strategizing, and it's just business. It's just a bottom line. It has nothing to do with what you are worthy of. It has nothing to do with the fact that you will be successful. It has nothing to do with the fact that you can scale to 6 figures. It has nothing to do with the fact that you will make this happen for yourself. You are deserving, you are worthy. It has nothing to do with that. So when you are pitching, aside from the process and the framework and the strategy, what you're also going to need is the emotional regulation skills. Both of these combined is going to be powerful for you as a UGC creator as you are starting, growing, and scaling your business. So I know this was a short one, but I'll talk more about this topic. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I know this has definitely happened to me. And I just talked about this on a TikTok video, that it's not that I never get rejected. Like, people think like, oh, these creators making, money with UGC, they just, like, successful UGC creators, we never get rejected. We never get gifted collab offers. We never get ambassador or commission offers. That's not true. We just have higher standards. We are getting the same rejection as you. We just don't attach our emotions to it, and we have higher standards. So we're not accepting the gifted collabs. We're not accepting the commission deals. We're saying, okay, this brand that doesn't want to work with me, they just were not the right fit for my business. You will not, and you do not want to work with every single brand, because you have to have standards in your business as well. And it's not anything about what you did or didn't do. It's just the fact that they were not a match or ideal client for your business, and that is okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. I'll put the link to my UGC course that'll help you get started with becoming a paid UGC creator in as little as 4 weeks. You can skip the learning curve and learn my exact step-by-step process on how you can do this. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.